Never. I smell slop. Where is it coming from? From the spiritual realm? It cannot be possible. This is physical. It is physical. You cannot test me. You cannot test. You cannot test me. It is not God.
This is your job. This is your job. Get to that man. You make sure kill him. Kill him for me. Yes, sir. I said kill him. I said kill him. I said we are going to finish him. My boss. Yeah. Wait. This is your job. Do what? Kill him. Let's go. Look at my body. You want to soak me? No, you want to soak me. What is let's dodge instead. Dodge. After you. You are my servant. Which one?
My son! You have come for Thanksgiving.
You see the way I enter? I wanted to enter into your face.
You have come. Sit down, my son.
Are you sit down?
Sit down.
Yes.
Have you come to test me, my son?
This one is more than test. Baba, this one is more than test.
I will turn you to a cockroach. What do you mean?
Hey!
I will turn you to a cockroach.
You think it's Christmas?
I will turn you to a cockroach.
You think?
Baba.
Baba. Don't rush. He's not. Baba.
No, wait. In the book of First John.
Don't preach anything.
Just. My son. Brethren, it is good you give your life to Christ.
We should give our life to Christ.
It is good.
I've done that already.
John 3:16 says,
no, I know about that one. Just make sure you go to church and give your own testimony. You understand?
Brethren,
let's go. Carry this thing. It's your turn to carry this.
Of course, it's my turn.
Carry.
God, children of God,
go and give your life to Christ.
Brethren! Listen!